Here's your quick lecture for the law of sines. And the law of sines is great because we can use it for any triangle. So it does not need to be a right triangle. And let's say our triangle looks like this. We're going to label this angle A right here, and that's the capital. Angle B right here, and angle C right here. Opposite angle A is the side A, and we use a lowercase for that. Opposite angle B is the distance of the side B, and opposite of angle C is the distance of the side C, and we use lowercase letters for the distances. And what the law of sines says is it says that this proportion is going to be true, that the distance of A over the sine of angle A is equal to the distance of B over the sine of angle B, right? And maybe you're using A and B, maybe you're using B and C, maybe you're using A and C. You're going to use two of these three rational expressions right there. So it works for any triangle. It does not have to be right triangle. The things you must know to use the law of sines, you need to know an angle, and you need to know the side opposite the angle, and one other measure. So for example, maybe we have angle A, we have the side opposite angle A, so we know the distance of A, and then we need one other thing. Now, here's the types of triangles. You can solve with the law of sines. You can solve an AAS triangle, and that's where you'll know angle, angle, side. Okay, and see how you know a cross right there? You can also solve an ASA triangle, so angle, side, angle. Noting here that we don't know the distance across from the C or the A, but we can use this right here to find the angle of B. So the interior angles of any triangle are going to add up to be 180 degrees. So if you know this one here, let's say this one's 30, and let's say this one is 100, you know that this is going to be 50, and now you have what you need for the law of sines. There is one other type of triangle that you saw with the law of sines, and you need to be careful. It is the SSA triangle. Okay? And you have to be careful because it's possible that there is an ambiguous case here where you have two triangles that fit what's given, or you have no triangle that is fit what's given. Okay? And you'll notice that I sometimes rearrange these letters to help me remember that this one is one to watch out for. And that is the law of sines.